Okay everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a park bench in SketchUp. Okay, I've first of all we have to make a basic shape with a rectangle, and we can set the rectangle. We can use this. We can set the length of the park bench around 1500 millimeter, and then we can set the height of the bench around 500 millimeter, and then we have to push it up. Around 700 millimeter. It just um, for example. Okay, and then we can make the side shape of this park bench. We can make the basic shape. We can use this guideline with tape measure tool, and then we can drag to the top around 500 millimeter. Okay, and then we have to push it up again to make more higher, and then we can make the gap between the left edge to the rest. Okay, we have to make tape measure in here. We can set here around 150 millimeter, and then we can make the thickness of this bench support with the tape measure tool around 100 millimeter, and then we can set the thickness of the front support of the bench around 100 millimeter, and then we can just set this support around maybe 60 millimeter only. Then we can make the guideline of this top bench rest around 500 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make the side shape of this bench with line. Anyway, we can make with line. We can follow the guideline, just following me about how to make it, and then we can offset it. We can offset it inside, maybe around like this, or we can repeat it. We can offset like this, and then we can complete the basic pattern of the line with the line. Anyway, then we can delete some unnecessary extension of the line anyway, and then we can set the backrest of the bench with this. Okay, and we can delete some unnecessary line right here, and then we can set the curve of the corner as we want anyway, with the 2-point arc in here. Okay, we can set with any position and any place, something like this. You can just click and click it again. Okay, and you can just make a small curve right here, and make a curve right here, and make a small curve again right here. Okay, and then we can move it or erase it. Okay, then we can erase this. Okay, and then we can push it to the back until maybe we'll until 100 millimeter, and this make group and make component and just create it. Okay, and after that we have to move and just click from the corner and move around 1500 millimeter and just type 2/, so it will be arranged automatically like this, and then we can make a board bench in here with the rotated rectangle. Maybe we can start from here until here and set the thickness of the board of each board. Maybe we can set the thickness of each board around 60 millimeter. Then we can make a thickness of this single board. In every single board we can make around 20 millimeter. Okay, 20 millimeter or more, at 10 millimeter more, so something like this. And then we can make group and make it component, choose create, and then we can make okay, and then we can move, and to duplicate it we can move right here, click and type 2/, press enter, so it will be arranged automatically. And then we can select this object, select move, select this corner, and select press Ctrl on your keyboard and position on this endpoint and just rotate it and make it parallel with this sloping line of the back bench. Anyway, then we can select the move and position from this corner, select Ctrl to duplicate it, we can position on it, and we can type 4/ enter. Okay, it's done, and okay, it's enough. And then we can make it more smooth than before. We can triple click with and entering this group object, and then we can make a 2-point arc to make a little curve in this corner to make it more smooth than before. Then we can push it corner to the limit. Then we have to push it to the limit also, so the another board will be automatically changed by this single board change. Anyway, then if you wanna make the wider than this bench, you can edit this. You can edit this, and you have to activate the hide rest of model features on Sketchup, and then we can select by your left click in this area only, and then you have to move, and we can move it to the front again, around maybe around 150 millimeter more, maybe, for example. And then we can add it more, like to board more to the front, and select move, select Control, select the position of the base, and then we can place in this endpoint of the component, and it will be wider than before. Okay, and after that we can make it more longer than before with the click this face, this side, and then we can type around 100 millimeter, and we can type this 100 millimeter also, 100 millimeter also, so it will be more wider than before. Okay, and then we can select this all, and we can make group, and we can select the wood material with the material as we want. Anyway, maybe with this or with this material, maybe, so it will be look more representative than before. Anyway, okay, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching, and I hope all of you get a lot of benefit and advantage from this tutorial video of me, and wait for my next video. Thank you.